Welcome. Today we're exploring the world of AI prompt engineering. You might be wondering, what is prompt engineering? It sounds complex, but it's actually quite simple and fun. Imagine talking to a super smart computer that understands you perfectly. Prompt engineering is about crafting the right instructions for AI. It's like giving directions to a smart friend who knows a lot and works fast. With the right prompts, AI can write stories, create images, translate languages, and more. It's like having a superpower, and anyone can learn it with practice and curiosity. So get ready. We'll break down the basics of prompt engineering and show you how to get amazing results from your AI interactions. Okay, so we know that prompt engineering is about talking to AI, but why is it so important? Why should we care about how we communicate with these advanced systems? Here's the thing, AI is powerful, but it's not psychic yet. It can't read our minds or understand our intentions without clear guidance. It relies on us to give it clear, concise instructions so it can understand what we want. The more precise we are, the better the AI can perform. Think of it like this. You wouldn't walk into a restaurant and just say, "Food, please." That would leave the waiter confused and unsure of what to bring you. You'd specify what kind of food you want, right? Maybe you'd ask for a spicy Thai curry or a classic margarita pizza. The same goes for AI. If you give it a vague prompt like write a poem, you might get something back, but it might not be what you were hoping for. It could be too abstract or not in the style you wanted. But if you give it a more specific prompt like write a sonnet about the beauty of a summer sunset, you're much more likely to get something amazing. The details help the AI understand exactly what you're looking for. That's the power of prompt engineering. It's about giving AI the information it needs to succeed, and in turn, unlocking its full potential. By mastering this skill, we can harness the true capabilities of AI, making it a powerful tool in our hands. Ready to start building your own prompts? Awesome. This guide will walk you through the process, making it simple and effective. Let's break it down into 3 easy steps that anyone can follow. First, think about the job you want the AI to do. This is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything else. Do you want it to be a poet, a translator, a comedian? The role you choose will influence the tone and style of the output. This helps set the tone and style of your prompt. Next, provide some context. Context is key to making your prompt effective. What's the topic? Who's the audience? What kind of feeling are you going for? These questions help shape the AI's response. The more context you give, the better the AI can understand your vision. Think of it as giving the AI a roadmap to follow. Finally, be specific about the task itself. Specificity helps the AI know exactly what you want. What do you want the AI to actually create? The clearer you are, the better the results will be. For example, instead of just saying write a story, you could say, "I want you to be a mystery writer." This gives the AI a clear direction. Write a short story about a detective investigating a theft in a spooky old mansion. This level of detail helps the AI understand your vision. See the difference? That's how you build a prompt that gets results. With these steps, you'll be crafting effective prompts in no time. Section 4. Making it personal, prompts that reflect your style. Now, here's where things get really interesting and exciting. One of the coolest things about prompt engineering is that you can personalize your prompts to reflect your own unique style and voice. Let's say you're a big fan of Sherlock Holmes and his adventures. You can actually tell the AI to write in the style of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Or maybe you have a specific brand voice you need to maintain for consistency. You can provide the AI with examples of your writing style, and it will learn to mimic it accurately. This is where prompt engineering goes from being a cool tool to a powerful form of creative expression. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what happens when you inject your own personality into your prompts. You might be surprised at what you can create with just a few tweaks. Section 5. The future of prompting, AI and beyond. So what's next for prompt engineering? Well, as AI continues to evolve, so too will the art of prompting. We're already seeing incredible advancements in AI-generated content, from music and art to even code. In the future, prompt engineering could become as commonplace as sending an email or writing a text message. Imagine a world where you can simply tell your computer what you need and it can create it for you instantly. The possibilities are truly endless and exciting. But for now, the most important thing is to simply dive in and start experimenting. The more you play with prompts, the better you'll become at communicating with AI and unlocking its full potential. And who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent for prompt engineering along the way.